Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Looker Studio to BigQuery for marketing analytics. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Looker Studio in your web browser. Click on the Create button in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Data Source. In the Data Source connector list, find and select BigQuery. Next, you'll see a prompt to authorize BigQuery access. Click on Authorize if prompted and follow the instructions to grant permission. Once authorized, you will see your BigQuery projects listed. Select the project that contains the dataset you want to analyze. In the project view, find the dataset containing your marketing data. Click on the dataset to expand and see the tables available. Select the specific table you want to connect to Looker Studio. If needed, you can use the optional Custom SQL section to write a query for more tailored analysis. Once you have selected your table, click on Connect in the upper right corner. Looker Studio will now load the fields from your selected table. Review the field options and set the data types as needed. You can rename fields or create calculated fields for more insights. After setting everything up, click on Add to Report to start building your visualizations. You can now drag and drop fields onto the report canvas to create charts, tables, and graphs. Adjust the visual settings and styles to suit your branding and preferences. Once complete, you can save your report or share it with your team for collaborative analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.